first, I thought want to do something best to my mom because she worked in the Chinese farm very hard, and then the earning was so low. So what I did, so I built farmhouse for my parents. Secondly, I start up a business, restaurant business for my parents. So now they are living so happy.
I saw his success through social media, so I got really interested in own business. So I came and met him, discussed about the plan, what we can really do in a short period. So he shares his success story to me, and I got interested and joined him.
Once I joined, if not mistaken, 2012. So now it's almost 8 years plus. So what I achieved through this business is, this 8 years, I managed to buy a house, almost it's worth of $500,000. Then I bought a car.
Previous, I drive Myvi. Now I'm currently driving Mini Cooper S. This is a big achievement for me because it's everything possible with TK Mega Agency.
Currently, TK Mega Agency providing 2,500 in cash incentive for the newcomers continuously 6 months.
Welcome to my home. I'm TK, Tiago Krishnan, Chief Agency Manager, Unit 645. Okay, I'm doing this insurance business past 18 years. Basically, I came from Cameron Islands, zero, nothing, no income, no proper education. So once I moved here, so I studied for first diploma, and then I don't have enough money to continue my further studies. But what was happened, I joined insurance, then I know this industry really can make money, right? So whatever I ask to the universe, I will receive. For example, first, I received my dream car. Secondly, my dream house. And thirdly, I open up 2 branches, one in Cameron Islands, another one in PJ, KL. So in future, another office I'm going to open soon in Ipoh. So that means the universe is responding us. So if you ask, I'm sure you will get the same thing. Whatever you ask, you will get. So ask, believe, receive. So once you join here, I'm sure next 3 years we have somebody. You see here, we don't stop people to grow. We encourage them to grow. Firstly, they came as a marketing executive. Secondly, we will promote as soon as possible. For example, next 2 years, they can be a unit manager. After 2 years unit manager, then they can continue to next level, chief agency manager. So once they become a chief agency manager, so they can have their own agency, something like TK Mega Agency. So the same business they can carry to their kids. So for example, my lifetime, so next 30 years I'm going to be in the TK Mega Agency. After that I'm going to retire. So my kids will take over my business. So this is what I always tell the people, those who are working outside. What is your future? What is your children's future? What is your business? So what is your income? What is your level? So when we ask this kind of question, they surely cannot answer. So that's why I say, if really they join, they can be a very, very successful. When people join us, they want to know where we are and then what kind of environment is that. That's why we open this office. At the same time, we have some role models. Okay, for example, I started last 18 years. Okay, now within 3 years, within 5 years, I have success story people working with us. Almost 5 to 10 people are doing very good, earning very good, and then they're driving Honda, BMW, and Merc, and Mini Cooper. All this. Even this year, we're going to bring another 3 new cars from TK Mega Agency for my agents. I always encourage people to be different from others. So everyone born as a poor, but I don't want end of the day they end up their lifestyle with the same level. So that's why I always encourage people to be someone in their life. So even they come and join us, they will follow our step. So our agency, there's something different with others. because why? We will educate them, we will teach them, and then we have our own trainer. Each time when they feel like down, so we will encourage them, motivate them to build their strength. My next 5 years plan is I want to build 100 millionaires in TK Mega Agency. It's really possible. Okay, nothing is impossible, because why? Currently we have 25 people are working with us and they're doing very, very, very good. Each time, every 6 months or every 3 months we will guide them. They will check where their people are in the stage. Okay, for example, 3 months their earning is how much, and then 6 months the earning is how much, and then 1 year the earning is how much. At the same time, first we will encourage them to buy a car. Okay, of course, everywhere you go, any business you do, the car is very, very important. So we will guide them to buy a car first. Immediately, 1 or next 2 years, they will buy a house. So slowly we will guide one by one. So we cannot say this is a business where you within 1 month or within 3 months, within 5 months, you can be a rich. No such thing. So you have to follow the step by step. So definitely you will be someone in a short period of time. Currently, I'm looking for another 75 people for 2021. Okay, I'm really looking for those really hunger for money. Okay, those are really want to change their lifestyle. Those are really want to earn more than 5 figures. Okay, at the same time, of course, we need minimum diploma holders, because this business is a professional business. So of course, they need some knowledge to build their business. Anyone looking for the job with zero capital, come and join us.